that coached last year in the old spots, Tortorella in New York, Alain Vigneault in Vancouver, and all that emotion. Now, Jannik Hansen walks in for a chance. Cam Ward says no, and Hansen bats it out of midair astray. Room at the end, as we see in that penalty box. 5-on-3 ensues. Garrison, Daniel. Inside it goes. This is Henrik holding onto it. Garrison flashes. Ward the save. They score. Easy chance in the rebound. It's Ryan Kesler. 1-0 Vancouver. It's a lengthy interview. You'll see some of it inside a Hurricane between periods 1 and 2. Zach Dalpe. Drop pass for Ryan Kesler. Jason Garrison shot. They score! Garrison, and Cam Ward says he was bumped. We'll see, but Vancouver, it looks like they have a 2-0 lead.
Let's watch the crease area. Does it prevent Cam from doing his job? It does. Boy, it's in the crease.
Out to center ice. On the advance is Jordan Staal. Moving up, his shot caught off by Eddie Lack, and he has the rebound, but they bang it home. Traffic out in front. Now Eddie Lack doesn't like it, but Carolina has cut the lead in half.
He never blew it. Here's the puck free. I can't honestly see it then. The referee coming in at the last second. Jordan Staal, huge part of that play, and Hainsey jumping in.
Now Eric walks in for a chance. Denied by Lack. The rebound. Did they score? It could be in. Lack is in the goal. We'll see. And it looks like Carolina has come out storming, and they've tied it.
Kesler, a forward back. You can see that a defenseman had been caught up the ice. And it seems like Lack's entire body is practically in the net. And there you can see that puck.
He gets the assist on the goal by Nathan Gerbe, his 6th. The Canucks out in front. Hack and whack time. They score. How about this? Cam Ward attempted to scissor his legs together. And much like Carolina, the Vancouver Canucks storm back and recapture a 1-goal lead. Bowman to the outside of Bieksa. Back it goes for Falk. One-timer Harrison blocked by Chris Higgins. Turning is Bowman. Drayson Bowman. Now Harrison. A wrister stopped by Lack. The rebound. Handled another chances. Off a body out in front.
He looked every bit of that on the goal that he set up from Gerbe to tie it at 2.
Here's a chance for Bowman. A great save by Eddie Lack. Right off the faceoff. Bowman again for Dwyer. Shut down as they hack at it in the crease, and Eddie Lack has control. It kicks out. Carolina attempts to get it out. Here's Brett Belmore. Belmore over the line. Malhotra with a shot swallowed by Eddie Lack. No stoppage.
Skinner just couldn't get that to the net quickly. When Jeff is really going, he has such talent that he finds a way to fire that puck.
Daniel. Options away for Burrows. Here it comes, denied by Ward. He lost control. Burrows off the side of the goal. A wrap chance. They fend it off.
That is a perfect dump in from Radek Dvorak, where it truly is just a temporary loss of possession. I think it's Talusi that comes in. Belichick is the second man, and nearly led to a grade A chance, all because of good puck placement.
Santorelli a steal. His shot blocked in front. Out of that battle, Tanev now ahead for Dale Weiss. Komisarek at the line. Santorelli wins a battle. Has the puck. His shot. Ward got a piece high in the air. Higgins in control. Ward says no. And he hangs on. By Skinner, broken up. Not out by Richardson. It's still fought for. Burrows and Skinner. Skinner wins the battle and sets up Murphy now. Justin Falk. His shot. And no. And off the post. And it's covered up by Eddie Lack.
Was hurt back on a Carolina power play in the second period. Oh, tough break. It's cliche, but a game of it.
The draw. Worked right out in front. Jordan Staal has it. Ward halfway out. Hurricanes can't get it deep. Ward goes back. Here's Kesler walking in. His shot. Ward says no. He hangs on. Another face-off in the Carolina zone.